In all things purely social, we can be as separate as the 5 fingers, and yet one as the hand in all things essential to mutual progress. W.B. Du Bois. Genuine love is rarely an emotional space where needs are instantly gratified. Bell Hooks. In our era, it is not enough to be tolerant. You tolerate mosquitoes in the summer, a rattle in an engine, the gray slush that collects at the crosswalk in winter. You tolerate what you would rather not have to deal with and wish would go away. It is no honor to be tolerated. Every spiritual tradition says love your neighbor as yourself, not tolerate them. Isabel Wilkerson. Beloved community is formed not by the eradication of difference, but by its affirmation, by each of us claiming the identities and cultural legacies that shape who we are and how we live in the world. Bell Hooks. For to be free is not merely to cast off one's chains, but to live in a way that respects and enhances the freedom of others. Nelson Mandela. Somebody has to stand when other people are sitting. Somebody has to speak when other people are quiet. Brian Stevenson. Hate is too great a burden to bear. It injures the hater more than it injures the hated. Coretta Scott King. If you wish to heal your sadness or anger, seek to heal the sadness or anger of others. They are looking to you for guidance, help, courage, strength, understanding, and for assurance. Most of all, they are looking to you for love. Ana Castillo. You can't have people listen to you unless you come to their world and then bring them to yours. Kendrick Lamar. We're all under the same sky and walk the same earth. We're alive together during the same moment. Maxine Hong Kingston. Love is a combination of care, commitment, knowledge, responsibility, respect, and trust. Bell Hooks. I believe that our purpose as humans is to leave the world a better place than how we found it. If I can leave any kind of legacy at all, I hope it's that I inspired others to do the same. Monroe Bergdorf. Love is not just a verb. It's you looking in the mirror. Kendrick Lamar. I don't think that loving yourself is a choice. I think that it's a decision that has to be made for survival. Lizzo. Humankind has not woven the web of life. We are but one thread within it. Whatever we do to the web, we do to ourselves. All things are bound together. All things connect. Duwamish Tribe.